What's up guys, it's November 24th and as you see I have a really big shadow behind me, but that's because my light is really stupid. I'm trying to get a new one, but it's probably gonna be a while. But anyway, I was looking on YouTube the other day and I found this dog, but it was no ordinary dog. It was the next Tony Hawk. Yeah, you heard me, skateboarding dog. What? There ain't no skateboarding dog. But there is. Watch this.
Dude, that's like totally wicked, bro.
Dude. I mean, is this like the next Tony Hawk? If this is new Tony Hawk, they should definitely make a movie out of this because that would be awesome. Anyways, I changed this little Monday video to like whenever I want to because I was gonna do it every Monday, put a video up every Monday, but that was too much waiting. I couldn't wait that long. I mean, that's like one whole week that I have to wait to put up a video. And I have so many ideas for videos. I mean, this may not be the best idea ever, but you know, I have an idea and I don't want to lose it. That light is really bright. I think I'm gonna turn it off. Now you can't see me very good. Yeah, that's better. Well, anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go make some more video ideas and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, homies.